What's up, guys? In this video we are going to install the 20mm spacers on the backside of the Corvette to finally push them wheels out to fit the wide body. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so got her idling, got her jacks. So first, jack that bad boy up. Can you hold this? Just like that? Can you do it just like that and don't move? Thank you. Good job. Alright guys, first, before we fully jack the tires off the ground, we have to break free the lug nuts. Right there. So what we're going to do is we got our lug nut key, proper cross, and we're going to break them free.
What are you going to do?
Alright guys, now that the lugs are broken free, we're going to jack it up from the roof. What I like to do is use a piece of wood on the jack itself, position it kind of like so.
Is it good, Dad?
Should be. Let's see. Alright. Alright, so also make sure it's in reverse and parking brakes always up. Alright guys, so now that we have the wheel off the wood, we're going to actually take off the wheel. Do not lose your lug nuts, or else you're going to be spending money that you don't have to. Kind of like in Christmas Story.
Yeah.
When Ralphie is helping his dad take off the lug nuts.
Yep.
Daddy's gonna kill Ralphie! That kind of thing.
For one brief moment, I saw all the bolts silhouetted against the lights of the traffic, and then they were gone.
Oh, fudge.
Only I did.
Are you taking that off? Then why are you taking that off? Then why you take that off?
Because we have to.
Are you going to get a new one?
We'll see. Alright guys, so here we go. Here's our stock studs. We are going to grab our first spacer, place this on yonder, like so. Then we're going to take the acorn style lug nuts that come with them.
But how are you going to try?
I know, we're going to try. And what we're going to do is, we're going to hand tighten them.
You going to try?
No, we're not going to drive yet, sweetie. And then, we are going to, I am just doing this by hand for now. And we're just going to install these by hand. Actually, let me use my cross. Again, just tighten it as if you were putting on the wheel. Alright guys, so check the torque. Okay. So check the torque. And now, put the wheel back on. And these are the recesses here. You can see the recesses, which hopefully will be enough for the stock spacers. Let's give it a go. Well, guys, as you can see, things in life are never easy.
Or do you want to keep it at home, or you want to see it?
Tell Ella to keep that off the street. Alright guys, so as you can see, you got the spacer flush with the hub of the rotor, all flush. The wheel sits flush because it has the recesses in the holes. So now you can see kind of where it's going to be. Now, realistically, it'd be very easy for me to do the other one while it's up in the air, but I think I owe it to you guys for some before and after pictures and snaps of what it's going to look like spaced out a little bit. And I owe it to myself also. Waited 8 years when I first got this car. I knew I wanted to wide body it. Still not even done, obviously, but let's lower it. Guys, let's lower this bad boy down. My daughter is holding it for us. Okay. High five. High five. High five. Fist bump. Fist bump. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Alright, so this is 20mm spacer. And then we got a collection of cars coming. Alright, so let's try this again. 20mm spacer, obviously not settled, non-spacer. Wow. Alright, let's get the other one on. Alright guys, and we're back inside. It is the next day. Of course, as always, I forget to film the outro with cleaning up tools. It did start raining, it got cold. But of course, repeat the process on the other side of the vehicle. Again,
I'm not going to say it's going to work on every C5 Corvette. However, for me, the 20mm spacers with the OEM style Grand Sport wheels, due to the recess in the back of the wheels, allowed me to put them on without any trimming of the lug nuts. Now, if you go with a 3/4 inch spacer, I can't guarantee you they're going to fit with Grand Sport wheels, because again, you never know, that little bit of difference might have been what worked, who knows. If you go with a reproduction wheel, if you go with completely different wheels whatsoever, I can't guarantee that they're going to have the proper recess for these spacers. So always do your research. Sometimes you get lucky. I was told that 20mm spacers with Grand Sports would work. Seems like they do. As always, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dad Life. Throw a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, go subscribe. Subscribe now. There also is a link in the banner of the page when you see the videos. You can find my Facebook, my Instagram. Click right there, one hit for subscribing, and thank you guys for tuning in. More Corvette content coming soon, as well as another a Cup with Dad sales motivation video is in the works. That should drop in the next couple days, week or so. Thank you guys for watching. As always, Dad Life.